was a trick I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you want me to. All it takes is that one look at you and I run right back to you. You crossed the line and it's time to say F you. What's the point in saying that when you know how I react? You think you can just take it back, but shit just don't work like that. You're the drug that I'm addicted to.